Hi, I am Neetu and welcome to my channel. This is my first video and today I am going to explain HTML in a very simple way. So, before we start writing any code, let's understand what HTML actually is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is the basic structure of every website. Think of it like before a house becomes beautiful with the paint, furniture, and decorations, it first needs a strong frame, right? In the same way, HTML gives the basic frame or skeleton of a web page. It decides where the heading goes, where the text goes, where images will appear, and how the page is organized. Just like this house frame holds everything together, HTML holds all the content of a website together.
Okay, now let's look into a simple HTML program. For this, you can either use an IDE or a notepad is also fine. Here I am using Visual Studio Code IDE, and in this I am going to create a new file here named index.html. So here you can see the entire structure of a simple HTML program. In this, you can see the doc type HTML tag, which denotes the version of an HTML program. And every HTML program starts with HTML tag. Within the HTML tag, we have mainly two sections, the head sections and the body section. So this head section actually contains the information about the web page. So whatever we write in the head section won't be displayed on the web page. So inside the head, we usually add things like the page title, links to CSS file, meta information, and other settings. So for example, this title tag actually controls what you see on the browser tab. Here it's written as a document, right? So I am going to change this into something else. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next section, body section. So in a real web page, you can see so many contents, right? So all those contents must be goes into this body tag. So within this body tag, I am going to add a heading using the H1 tag. For headings, we usually use H1 tag. So let me type welcome to my world. And I also am writing another, I'm adding a p tag. P tag is for writing paragraphs. First program. So let's see the output.
Now you can see the output of our HTML program in the browser. At the top of the page, the text "Welcome to my world" appears in a big bold style. This is because we use the H1 tag there, and the H1 tag actually used for main headings, and it always appears larger and more prominent than other text. Just below that, you can see the line "This is my first program." This is displayed using the P tag, which is used for normal paragraph text. And if you look at the browser tab at the top, you will see the title first HTML there. That text actually came from the title tag inside the head section.
So that's the output of our first HTML program. I will teach more HTML tags in the upcoming videos. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe.